Hello, welcome to this channel. Today I want to show you how to deposit Ethereum from Binance or any other wallet all the way to your OpenSea wallet where you can buy your NFTs, all the NFTs that you like. So before you buy NFTs, you know that you should have you should have Ethereum to your wallet. So today I want to show you how to deposit Ethereum to your MetaMask on OpenSea. So welcome. So let's do it. The first step that we are going to do, we're going to select MetaMask, which is the popular wallet. You're going to click MetaMask. Remember, you are at the website of OpenSea, opensea.com. So we're going to click most popular one, which is MetaMask. So just wait for a minute for it to load. Once I click on the MetaMask, I will be provided with my extension. Please remember that you have to already downloaded the extension. As you can see, I already downloaded mine the way I shown you on my previous video. So right here, I'm going to input my password so that I'll be able to log in to my MetaMask. So let me input my password. So right now I'm logged in. As you can see right now, I'm logged in. Currently, I have no balance. My balance is 0. So the next thing that you're going to do is to deposit to this wallet. You're going to deposit to this MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to click add funds. Then right here, I will be provided with this wallet, deposit crypto, buy Ethereum with card. Today we're going to deposit with crypto. We're not going to buy with card. So I'm going to copy this address right here. Make sure that you copy. Remember also this can apply to those using a phone, Android or iPhone. So once you copy, you will go to Binance. Remember, you can also use the phone or the desktop. So right here at the Binance, I'm going to click withdraw. The Binance, I'm going to click withdraw. Once I've clicked withdraw, we will receive this. Never share screen when withdrawing money. Beware of new scams under there. Got it? One step withdrawal, enable. After one step withdrawal, it's enabled. Security verification can be exempt of that verification too. So I'm going to cancel this soon. So right here, the next thing that I'm going to do is to click on Ethereum. I'm going to search Ethereum. Ensure it's Ethereum, not Ethereum Classic, but Ethereum. Right there, the real Ethereum. So I have the Ethereum. Right here, I'm going to paste here the address. I'm going to paste here the address. The address has already been pasted. The next thing I'm going to do, as you can see, network, select the withdrawal network and match network, automatically remove the network. Yeah. So we're going to use the ERC20, which is correct. Amount that I'm going to withdraw, say I'm going to withdraw 100. No, not 100 Ethereum. I'm going to withdraw. Say I'm going to withdraw 0.4 Ethereum. 0.4 Ethereum from my spot wallet, or you can withdraw from your funding wallet. So once all this is set, I'm going to click withdraw. Once you click withdraw, it's going to take around 5 minutes depending on the network. it's going to take around 5 minutes depending on the network. So after 5 minutes or so, the balance is going to reflect right here 0.4. It will reflect 0.3. As you can see, the amount that will come to your wallet is 0.3984 Ethereum. So the once the network has been confirmed, you will receive right here 0.394 Ethereum. So your wallet will be set, your OpenSea wallet plus the extension will be set for you to use. So after that, now you can use the Ethereum for you to use the Ethereum for you to buy NFTs, mint NFTs, and also some of the stuff. So that's all. And if you find this video helpful, please like the video. Please like the video. That's all. Thank you.